Okay, hey guys. It's 27th of December, and my dad came home for a little surprise. He came home with a drone. Okay. I do know the problem why it won't fly correctly. It needs more batteries. And notice how all of them have a black heart in the middle? Like right here? This one doesn't. So when the air force is down, it won't push the thing up. If you know what I'm talking about. Probably most of you don't. No, making a video. I'm putting on full thrust, but it won't work. It's full thrust. I think you can see what I'm doing. If you can't, here it is. I'm putting on full thrust, as you can see right here. Full thrust, so steer. But I know what the problem is. But I just don't know where to find the parts. So if you all know, like Amazon doesn't have them. So if you all know where to get those parts, make sure you comment on the video and where and how to get those parts. Because I can't drive a car. I could ride a bike, not a car. Go-kart, but not a car. Oh yeah, that music is my sister's in the Quirky Gaming 101. Sorry, something else. Yeah, so if y'all know where to find the extra piece, just tell me.